So good to be back, guys. Just gonna get the music. I'm rusted. Keegan held down the fort here. Just want to say well done to Keegan and Jevon. These guys did everything without a hitch. We didn't even hear about them. We just saw things were going down. But I missed you guys. Ask Mo. Mo, are you on? Let's just get Mo on as well. Mo, get that mic, bro. What's happening? Why don't we have Mo skip on?
Oh, the boys are back in town.
Full compliment, but well done to Keegs. He held down the fort like a beast. We could have actually stayed the weekend in Cape Town. These guys did it without a hitch. But Chad, how are you feeling Friday? It is good to be back in the lab. And we're going to get going very soon. And yeah, I just want to again say thank you for Keegan. Obviously, it takes a lot to do a stream. People don't realize it, but it takes a lot to do 2 streams a day to keep the energy levels where Keegs and Jev did. Takes a lot, but it is good to be back, guys. Jordan, Keegan, Donnie, Tsepo, good morning, my brother. I hope you guys enjoyed that intro. I love it. That has become a staple here in the office, and we are ready to go. Keegs, how are you feeling, brother? Good to have us back. Do you miss us?
Yeah, it's good to have the boys back. Have us back in full force, yeah. Literally, we're always unstoppable when we're together.
Mo, how are you feeling being back?
I'm good, boys.
The 3 musketeers.
Is it disconnected?
Disconnected, bro.
Okay. Mo's not even connected. Guys, we're going to look at what we've got today, Friday. I wasn't too busy on the charts. I'll show you. I only took 3 trades while I was gone. 2 wins, 1 break even. Retail sales data this morning came out a little bit softer than expected. Well, not a little bit, quite significantly softer than expected from the pound. We've got 18 minutes till the open. What else do we've got? We've got Christine Lagarde on in 48 minutes. And then we've got some CPI data coming out at 12. So we just need to monitor that at 12. And then the rest of the day looking pretty straightforward. Just some building permits that could add a little bit of spice to the softer inflation data we saw out of the US. And yeah, looking at Fed futures. Yesterday, Fed futures already starting to price in a rate cut as early as June next year. So that is quite interesting. So we're going to jump straight into the charts. Keegs, out of the week, I haven't even seen how your week went. But
We've had a monster week. We took a 5 pip loss on Monday.
Yeah.
And now we are 15% up.
Just turn that Mo, you guys. Knock that camera off.
Oh, yeah.
Just bring it in there.
Yeah, there we go.
So you guys had a good week.
Yeah, great week for the guys.
Chad, how's the week been? I think Keegan held down the fort quite well. 1 or twice I tuned in and you guys were banging it. But I'm going to start off with DXY. I was neutral on the weekly. Maybe just do a quick top-down analysis for you guys on DXY. I was neutral on the week purely due to the fact we closed bullish last week. But as you can see, we closed bullish still below this previous structure level. And I sound like a broken record, but we have been talking about the same potential scenario from last year happening this year again, of the dollar turning around. So weekly I was neutral to bearish, waiting for that top wick. And daily time frame this morning when I quickly did my analysis, I'm also neutral due to the fact that we are at the 200 period moving average on the daily. This is the daily time frame. We've created a potential daily support level, and if I copy this over, you can see that this was a previous level. If you look left with me, where price found some resistance, then support, now support again. Also looking at that after CPI, that massive drop, it is not uncommon for price to retrace, and we can potentially even retrace all the way back up to 105 for a retest to then continue lower. So on the day, Neutral. Gonna check the lower time frame, see where we are on the lower time frames, and then we can see what we've got here today. Friday, obviously massive drop entire week. Are we gonna trade back into the range? I don't know. I'm gonna definitely say we need to monitor Asia highs, see if we can maybe hold that, get that pullback trade all the way back up to 105, and that is what I'll be looking for, unless we really start dropping and all of this is a fake out and we start getting below the daily pivot. From here I'll start looking for potential shorts, but currently the order flow is definitely bullish on the dollar. US30. Before we go to US30, let's quickly look at Asia, what Asia did overnight, and Nikkei closing up 0.5%, 0.5%, and let's quickly look at Hang Seng. Hang Seng closing down 2.1%, so a little bit of a mixed bag on the Asian equities. But let's just quickly go back to US30. Weekly time frame was obviously bullish after last week's close. There you can clearly see it. Why would you short into a bullish weekly candle? Trade into the direction that the market is showing you. So I was bullish to start off the week. Daily time frame, it has been all bullish, but if you look to the left with me, we've got this potential zone right here, which previously acted as rejection. So we could start trading bearish, but purely as a pullback, a lot of open air created from last week Friday. So not uncommon if we're going to see some type of pullback, maybe even all the way down to 34,400. I think there's also, if you maybe take a fib, I'm not a fib trader, but yeah, that's a 50%. Retrace is healthy. But again, we can just push through here, and this could be a short squeeze in the meantime before we get that pullback. But I am neutral on the day due to that fact we had, 3, 4, 5 consecutive bullish daily candle closures. Can we get some pullback? AD is looking bullish, trading above the daily pivot, trading above Asia lows. I would say look for something like this a little bit later for potential longs. Otherwise, if we start rejecting Asia lows, then we can maybe look at some potential short positions. But other than that, we're going to need to see how we develop around this Asia range. Nasdaq quickly, daily time frame, I'm actually more bullish on Nasdaq, to be very honest with you, due to the fact that if you look at Nasdaq, you'll see that we broke above that daily resistance area, flat body closure above, and you've got this massive wick to the upside. So Nasdaq actually looks more bullish to me than US30. 5-minute time frame, what do we have? 80 firmly bullish. We've got that daily level right there. We've taken Asia low, so I almost want to say your safer buys are going to be above Asia highs, something like this. This definitely looks like a potential opportunity, and then to go for that, I think that's a CPI wick. Maybe we go for that wick. I think a lot of guys could be trying to short this, and they're going to get squeezed up until their eyes start tearing up. So just be aware of the short squeeze. Daily time frame, let's quickly look at what the daily is doing on UJ. I'm neutral on the day purely due to the fact that we are trading within this bigger range right here. So as you can see, support right there, resistance right there. What are we going to do? I don't know. We can start breaking lower. If we start breaking below 150.39, definitely you're going to see price coming all the way back down to 149.36. So I'm relatively neutral on the day. I was bullish on the week. 5-minute time frame, what do we have on the 5? Trading below the weekly pivot, trading below the daily pivot. However, we have not taken any liquidity either above Asia highs or below. I would love to see potentially, let me just see the AD here real quick. All right, it's pushing down. A lovely short idea for me would be something like this. Something like this would be great. That is a short that I would love to get into. However, is Friday. 80 is trading below the 200. Continuation trade, I would say we need to look for something below the 50, 150, 50, this level right here. And if we are just going to continue lower, I'm going to look for something like this. So I will let you guys know. As always, we don't talk about trades, we don't just mark up charts, we actually execute trades live. So for all the other fuckboys out there just doing analysis and not taking trades live, Godspeed for you. GJ, daily time frame. Let's quickly look at the daily. Daily. All right, interesting. I'm going to get to all the questions in the comments as well as soon as we're done. We've got 9 minutes left. All right, so we've got a potential confirmed resistance right here, GJ on the daily. We started breaking yesterday's low, already trading below this previous breakout area right there. So just keep that in mind. So it is looking relatively bearish. I'm neutral on the day due to the fact that if we start holding this level right here, then we can start pushing back up. 5 minute, what do we have on the 5 minute? Already below Asia lows, so maybe, all right, already at the daily S1. Keeks, what's your bias on GJ?
I was actually just going to ask you about EJ, but GJ...
Mostly, why is his screen not sharing?
Yeah, we couldn't figure that out last. You turned my screen off now, so I don't know what you did. But yeah, we couldn't figure it out when...
I just need to sort out the screen share, my brother.
Screen share. What's wrong?
It's not working. Yeah, this is a black screen. We couldn't get it working the whole week. So without it.
I'm thinking, yeah, guys. So this is a firm push down, also close to the 50. So maybe some continuation sells. Otherwise, if the 80 starts flipping bullish, we might get something like this. So I'm gonna monitor that.
But Chris, but back to answer your question, I am bullish on GJ. We're actually at a key level now. So EJ is actually testing the level perfectly. But on GJ's key level I've marked out, we're actually trading beneath it now. So I am bullish, but I'd have to wait to get back above that key level before I enter.
Where's your key level?
186,550.
Oh yeah, same as mine now. Okay, don't stress, man. We'll bring it in. We'll sort that out. Let me just see here quickly. Once I bring it in as a new, let me quickly do this. Is it on one? Okay, but wait, we'll do it as soon as we start waiting for trades. Don't stress, Mosky. Alright guys, Asia lows. Keeks has also got his key level 186,550. And gold, let's quickly go down to gold daily time frame. What do we have? I'm bullish on the day. We've got a key level down here, 1982, then at 1992, and then after that 2006. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm neutral on the day due to the fact that if you look left with me, 1982, massive level. I think Keeks will also have this level marked out. 1982, that is going to be the battle zone today of the bulls and the bears. 5 minute time frame, where are we? 80 starting to trade below the 200, still pointing up. Are we going to get a bit of a pullback today? I'm going to say 1982, guys. This is, everything's going to happen here. Whatever happens at 1982, that's going to determine what we do for the rest of the day. GU, apologies guys, let's quickly look at GU daily time frame. I am potentially bearish, but again, just keep in mind, looking left with me, this was a previous breakout level. We tested it yesterday. Are we going to hold it today and start pushing bullish? I don't know. I'm bearish on the day, however, and the 80 has also started flipping bearish. So how do we trade this? Very simple. 12400 right there. We're going to wait for price to pull back into the Asia lows. We're going to wait to see if it rejects here, and as soon as we get a break of structure below the round number, we will look for potential shorts. Let's quickly go Euro. 5 minutes left. I think we've done well getting through the charts. Daily time frame. Euro. Tricky little one. Euro USD. We're going to get Keegan's screen up now as well for him to do his analysis. Guys, so this is a tricky one. Daily time frame can close bearish like this, then it's quite easy for next week to trade that pullback back into these zones right here. But currently it is still bullish, and while yesterday's low stays intact, this thing can still flip bullish to come all the way up here, take out the weekly high. 5 minute time frame, let's quickly look at the 5 minute. Alright, 80 also starting to flip bearish, trading below the Asia lows. There's that key level. Maybe we trade that pullback Friday. Maybe we get something like this a little bit later. I just want to see how the market opens. German 30, last two, German 30, EJ, then we're done. German 30, clearly bullish. Where can you trade it to? All the way up to 15,896. Where can you find potential support for the pullback? 15,747. This is that previous level. Just look with me. See all of those reactions off that level. That's a key level. So that is your level to monitor for pullbacks. Clearly bullish. 5 minute time frame. What do we have? Asia lows have been taken. I would say 80. 80 is starting to. Alright, safer play here. Asia highs. Easy. Asia highs. 80 starts flipping bullish. Otherwise, you can. I wouldn't sell into this. Even if it pulls back 500 points, the market is clearly bullish due to that potential shift from central banks, especially the Fed. We've got 2 minutes left. Let's quickly do EJ daily time frame. Starting to break yesterday's lows. We could get a pullback. I'm going to go with bearish. I was bullish on the week. I hope you were bullish as well. Bearish on the day due to the fact we already broke yesterday's lows. We can get a pullback 5 minute, clearly below Asia lows, below the daily pivot. 80 is bearish. Why would I want to buy into this? You can buy into it. I'm not going to buy into it. Asia lows, that's your level. Let's just monitor 163. Let's see if we create a session low. Chad, 1 minute 50 seconds. That is the rapid fire analysis. Let me just get Keegan's screen back on here, and but it is good to be back. We're gonna check out the chat now. 1 minute 30. Hope you guys are feeling ready for Friday. Keeks, how are you feeling that, dude? I honestly have respect for you for streaming 4 days straight, twice a day.
Nah, I must say it's good. I'm feeling good. I definitely think the stream definitely helped me out. The guys were there, they were supporting. I brought the energy, they brought the energy, so it was good. And you know what? We always talk about it. It's those streams where you just sit there, like that's when it gets tiring. And I think we were just lucky, like none of our streams, we just sat there. Like we had great market conditions, trading awesome, we had the vibes, it was good.
I did. Keeks was a juggernaut. But let's go through it. 30 seconds. Chad, Justin Vessels, good morning. Tano Peterson, good morning. Mabulana, Alex, good morning, my brother. Hope you are well. Jordan, my bro, how's it going? Just be Edgar, Peaches in the chat, beautiful. 15 seconds. Wade and Cave, good morning. Focus Trader, hope you enjoyed the Cape Town heat. It was beautiful. Cape Town was great. The team there, the Vault Markets team, amazing. We came back inspired. Round one, fight. Markets are open. Ding, 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 ding. Caden, good morning. Good morning, Lucas. Yeah, the team in Cape Town, absolutely phenomenal. Mo, I don't know if you plugged in. I think Mo as well came back inspired.
Yeah, no, man, it was good, hey? It That's good. They have a much bigger team than we do. But yeah, no, everyone's grinding. It was fun. The guys are great as well. I had a good time.
Ben. So I found young Doji's IG and stuff who was trolling. This man's a ghost. Changed his IG handle 11. So I wasn't part of
the guy from yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. we banned him as well.
JC, welcome terug. Thanks, man. Frank and Fruity, good morning. Good morning. Etienne, Chris is back. Welcome back. Chris, we missed you. Keegs and JV were amazing, though. No, as always, amazing team we've got here. Wouldn't trade them for the world. We had some funny fights too. I think some guys should just stay in their own lane and focus on what they're doing. Shouldn't be so focused as to what myself and Keegan is doing. I think if the boys stay in their lane, they'll do a lot better. But yeah, Chad, markets are open and I'm ready to bang it. So just to give you guys an idea, 2 trades I took. I know a lot of you took the same. Some of the guys there in the office at in Cape Town took it with me. I know Ty was one of the gents that also took the trades with me. But yeah, these were the 3 trades I took them live there in the Cape Town office. We took some buys on GU. We took some sells on EU. I think that was Monday. And then Thursday we took I took buys on UJ as well, break even though, very close to 1.5. So that losing streak from last week is gone. Still 1.7% to go, but let's see, maybe we bang that out today. I don't know, but we're gonna get some tunes on here. It's Friday. I will pay the $8. Mo, is it $8 that we'll lose per stream?
$8, bro.
$8.
We'll cover $8. Yo, guys.
Nah, bro, we
Chris
ready.
loves this.
Put on the house music. We were in Jolly Day yesterday.
How did you play house music?
Like, guys, for those that are young, like, please just put it in the chat. Like, I felt it yesterday. Yesterday morning stream specifically, that was special. That was a vibe. We hit killer trades. The stream, everyone was just in a good mood. The music. Yesterday's one was a vibe, guys. That was special yesterday.
Mate, just let me know the level. I don't want to kill the guys, but
At the disco session.
That's good. It's clean.
it's good.
Yeah.
You're happy with it?
Oh yeah, we've got Tech back. This is our other troll.
Who?
Tech Labs.
Tech Lab. Tech Lab, good morning, my brother. How are you doing? Hope Tech Lab is doing well, my brother. Dope haircut. Appreciate it, my brother. Hope you are well. Chad, I'm looking at UJ and GU. I'm gonna set some alerts at 1 to 400, and we will see what we get there. Round number. Akram, good morning, my brother. Thank you for openly sharing your trades and profits. It's really motivating. You are a big-hearted individual. Thanks, Frank and Fruity. Yeah, guys, it was all work for 4 days. We had meetings with the operations team in Cape Town for Vault Funder, for Vault Markets. Big server migration that happened over the weekend. Obviously, with any business, nothing is going to go as planned. And there were some hiccups. That was sorted. And also had a great meeting with the support team for Vault Funder. So all of that is sorted. And yeah, it was a needed 4 days. Was actually a little bit we should have actually stayed, say, another day or two, because Mo, what time we grinded? Like early at the office, left late, but it was good. Etienne Grobler, Chris, why is your horror so groot? Etienne, because this is my dance horror. Etienne, I don't know if you know of the dance horror. Have you recovered your last week losses? No, not completely, Sam. So if I go to history, custom period, I haven't recovered from last week, no. You'll see that I'm still down 0.8% from last week. That was that streak from last week. So still 0.8% to go. Then it is recovered. But we're getting there. Keek's done a great job last days. He's the best. We appreciate it.
I appreciate all you guys.
Keeks is a G. Keeks has got a bit of a fan club there in the Cape Town office as well. Boys asking me, is Keegan streaming CPI? Boys were hungry. Lads were hungry to eat. Everyone's just asking, is Keeks doing CPI? And I said, I don't know. I'll ask Keeks if he'll maybe do a little special. Yeah, 2Gs are back in town ready to fuck shit up. We're gonna go hard this last part of the year. You guys are gonna see a lot of exciting stuff coming up for you. Keeks was going so hard on the tunes that they cut his stream. Cheslin Abrams, the stream taught me patience and gave me confidence to trust my trades. 100%, brother. Chatted to a few traders there in Cape Town as well, and I said just trust the process. If you've got your trading plan, if you followed your trading plan and you didn't get any trades the week, then you followed your plan. No need to force a trade that's not in your plan. And a lot of times, last week I said it, I had FOMO when Keeks took the GU longs. I went on the EU longs, but it wasn't in my plan. It didn't meet my criteria, so why did I take it? Damn, the yen pairs are just dying. Let me just see what is happening. Any news come out? Chad, sorry, we're not gonna do the podcast today. Myself and Mo was out for almost 4 days, and yeah, I'm ordering another camera today. We're ordering some more cables. We're gonna do a lot of follow-up for all of our gear that's still outstanding. So we're gonna get another proper camera. We're gonna spend some money to get the podcast to a level, and so no, Keeks, you fine with that because we need to sort out quite a bit.
Cool.
Yeah, we'd have loved to do it, but we haven't got the new cables yet. We haven't got the new sound desk as of yet, so we just want to make sure we've got everything ready. So next week, full force, we will be ready to go. Keeks het Anton gekry om saam te... Really, did you manage to get Anton to agree with one of the trades?
Yeah, which one was it? There was one of my trades he actually agreed with, yeah. And then after that he started fighting with the Chad, and then I just blocked him.
So Tech Lab is the other troll.
Yeah, that's him.
What did he troll about?
He came in here telling me how I must watch because a yellow folder event was going to make gold turn bearish yesterday.
Yeah.
Because gold respects the feds. And gold only went one way yesterday if you go back and look at it.
Alright, Tech Lab, my brother. Oh yeah, no, this was definitely bearish. Yeah, Thursday. No bro, that's bearish. It's definitely bearish if you invert your chart. How do you invert your chart? Maybe had his chart inverted and he
Maybe.
was actually bullish. Could be. Tech Lab, my brother. We'll pray for you. Pray for Tech Lab, guys, please. Can we please pray for Tech Lab? Alt plus I. Why do I have a feeling I'm gonna bomb out my PC? Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah, Keeks. This was gold yesterday. Very bearish. Check here. I don't know if you can see that on the screen. Very, very bearish if you invert your chart. Tech Lab Alt plus I, and then maybe you will be on the right side. Then you can talk in the chat. Is anyone looking for entry on gold? Keeks, what's
I'm waiting for a pullback to 1980, and I'll wait for confirmation there to go long. Is my screen share working?
No.
Okay,
no,
well, yeah, I'm just waiting for 1980, so I want the pullback to go long.
We'll sort that out shortly. What's your bias on UJ?
UJ, I'm bearish.
Also bearish.
Yeah. I've been bearish from Monday. I was still neutral, but leaning bearish, and after CPI, I was completely bearish.
Volmar, Moormanne, welkom terug, Chris en Mo. Dankie, Volmar. Hope you guys missed us. We missed the chat.
Thanks, boys.
Chris, your UJ says weekly. Yeah, I was bullish on the week due to the fact if you go on the weekly, you'll see that last week closed bullish. I was actually expecting the first part of the week to trade down and then to continue higher due to the fact that if you look left with me, that weekly wick is still intact. That 152. I think at one stage it is going to try and run for it. But we'll see. We'll see what we take here today.
Yeah, but guys, if you go back to gold, we can go look about 2 months ago. I'll show you how it turned bullish, and how we could confirm in our strategy that it was bullish, in case you guys weren't sure.
Could you please share with us what brings you all together? Are you affiliated with the company or are you part of a trading group? I may have missed the details, but I'd love to know more because I appreciate all of you and I'm grateful to found this group. Frank and Fruity, go onto the channel. We did a podcast last Friday. We actually went in depth how we all met.
We secretly, we all love bagels.
We actually all met at Jack's Bagels, and all of us were regulars. We were actually working remotely, and the first guy I saw there always was Mo, and he was always having the breakfast special where you get the breakfast bagel with the coffee. And then shortly after that, we actually became friends. And then Keegan and Caitlin, they also developed this bagel addiction. And one day we were like, flip guys, why don't we do something in the trading industry? And we did a business model for Vault Markets with this grand idea. And they said, look, we're going to give you 3 months. And if you guys aren't doing well in 3 months, we're going to cut you off. And it has been 4 months, so I think we are doing all right.
So long story short, guys, if you feel like that bagel, go have that bagel because you don't know what might happen.
Yeah,
No,
we keep
listen.
probation.
No, listen, Jack's Bagel is.
They should sponsor us. Yo, that would be trouble, eh? If we got sponsored by Jack's Bagels.
Jack's Bagel is gold. Jalapeno cream cheese bagel. So you're preaching it, my brother. Hi Chris, see your backup fake Insta account was on the scam last night. Really? The thing with those scam accounts is they block you, the real accounts. So even if you send it to me, I can't see it because they block you first.
Yeah, you're the first one.
Yeah.
You know what we must do for our next giveaway? We can have a bagel eating contest.
I think that would be. I also want to compete. Steve, I think the first thing he asked you is how's the market been treating you? How's your trading going? And then they usually bang you with, there's some very great opportunities in the market. Buy one of these subscription plans. $500 for 1,000% after a week. Music is vibe, guys. I've won a hot dog eating contest before. Anton migrated to Insta. I'm as part of the convo. What happened to Tech Lab? We prayed for Tech Lab, and he actually got converted. He is now one of the team. I think he got a smoke mug and bean breakfast bagel. Yo, Chris is looking fresh.
I swear, every time you wear that shirt, they comment on it.
Guys, all I want for Christmas is 10 of these floral shirts.
Be careful what you wish for.
Bruh, you're gonna see me.
The question is, does also be like the shirt?
I don't care who likes it, bruh.
I'm just saying, I'm not gonna get a message from her when I rock up like a box of floral shirts for Chris.
Bro, I love a floral shirt. Yep, was funny as fuck, but gave him a lead. Told him, oh, dang. Nasdaq Wolf starting to follow me on Insta. I'm going to send them the link to the stream. You rate Raja made 86, trading 50 lots on gold. Oh, Raja.
Keegs, MacD's in the morning. Bro, it's the breakfast of champions.
Who saw Bro, Keeks, honestly, listen here, this man came into the office with a cheeseburger.
It wasn't a cheeseburger. It was the booty burger and hash brown.
A buri burger and a hash brown.
Yeah.
And shortly after that, was it a cream soda?
Yeah, and a cream soda.
A cream soda with fries. How?
When you trade in the morning, guys, and it's a Friday, trust me, I'm getting some Maccas.
Keeks, what's your trades that are looking good for this morning?
GU's just set my alert off.
Short or long?
Long.
Yeah, it is a key level.
Yeah, so if I look on the 15 already, I can see that nice structure starting to form. I want to break. If basically this can close bearish like it does now, but above the key level, and I can get some break of structure to the top side again, the next candle, I'll go long on it.
Chris would start, Joan with Keeks, Sam 9, 20, 24. I'm going to become a beast. You're going to see it. I'm going to take, after we've got all the camera gear, I'm going to spend all of that money on other gear.
Like, that you must see, so this is literally Tech Lab. This is the whole week. I promise you, anything I say, he'll do that. He'll send that and with a bear every time. That's his go-to.
Tech Lab, we are also bearish with you, my brother. Don't worry.
It's all about
Geeks.
the macros, guys.
Yeah, keep just slapping those macros, bro. All about the macros.
I just hope my coach doesn't watch the stream.
Keeks, 30,000 rand a month. Is that a like very good GH? Little bit of.
We can do a lot with that. I'll turn you into Mr. Olympia tomorrow.
Tech Lab, we love you as well, my brother. It's only love on this stream.
He has to love you before he gets the boot again. Yesterday, the Chad and I made a vote, and he was voted off the island.
Really?
Yeah.
That his flame get put out.
Yeah, it was put out.
No, Chad, as mentioned, let's keep it positive. If you are in the chat and you don't make a positive contribution, feel free to leave. But it is about trading. Remember, that's the main thing. If you come on here and you want to talk cuck and you want to talk shit, you're going to get booted. All of us are here to basically take our piece of the market. If you want to troll and you're bored, please go somewhere else. Tech was the weakest link. Shouldn't be core CPR for Euro be red. I think it's 12 o'clock. Yeah, 12.
I was going to say, because he's saying it's a yellow folder though. And I still checked as well. Yeah, there's no red news today. The only red news was GBP, then that's possible.
Check GJ, I put my buy at. Okay, so are you in a buy? But why have you bought GJ? The structure's still bearish if you look at it. At no stage have we created.
There's nothing to take a buy off on that.
No. I say like if you want to buy like a pullback, at least wait for something like this. At least if it's going down, at least wait for something like that maybe. Like a little structure shift. But this thing is still straight down.
The only guy I've seen catch some falling knives is Jevon. And in saying that, he still only has like 3 fingers left. But he does catch them every now and again.
Who, Jeff?
Yeah.
Yeah, that man loves a falling knife, eh? No, Jeff loves a... That man
catch it every now and again. That's why he still has those 3 fingers. But the rest, they all got cut off.
Oh, Chatadonia. It is good to be back.
By the way, the guys were actually asking me yesterday. I can't remember who asked it, but was Mo trading with you in the week?
No, we couldn't even look at charts.
Oh, well, you said you took like 2 trades.
So what I did was Ty, one of the project managers there, both of the trades, he actually, because he's also usually on the stream, and he said, look, is GBP USD a long? So he asked me according to my strat.
Oh, yeah?
And I looked at it and I was like, yeah, this pullback from Asia highs. And he's like, sweet, yeah, he sees it the same. And I actually set the alert. And as soon as the alert went off, I took the trade, went into a meeting, came back, closed the trade. And the euro as well. He also said, he asked me according to my strat. So he actually was on the charts.
Oh, yeah, just asking you.
I just took the trade.
Oh, yeah, what's his man saying? The dark was a place to slam people.
Keenan, I have to apologize, brother. Those 4 days in Cape Town we were at the office till late during the day, meeting after meeting. So I do apologize for not meeting with you. I know you reached out to me, and I want to apologize. But if I'm ever there again, I'll make a point of it for taking you and your partner out for dinner. So please do accept my apology, Keenan. I know Keenan wanted to send something back for the boys as well. So Keenan, humbly accept my apology for that, brother, please. Red Act, welcome back, Chris. We all missed you. I missed the chat, guys. I told Mo on Wednesday I had FOMO when I saw the boys on stream. It has honestly become a community here, and I definitely miss the boys.
What music are we playing?
Can you hear it?
I can't hear, that's what I'm asking.
Ask Mo what
Mo's out of office.
Mo put me on this, Riz. Morning, G's. Welcome back, Chris. Yesterday I had some good trades. Hope to end Friday on a good note. I think we are going to end Friday on a good note. I'm going to courier the gift up to you, gents. Keen and appreciate it, brother. But again, my apologies for missing that meeting with you. Hey guys, do you keep journals? If yes, where can I download the file? Coach Carter, a journal of all the trades taken on stream in the London session is on Discord. Keegan's camera's just gonna drop. I'm quickly just gonna put the invite. Moski.
Yeah, he's here.
Mo.
Yeah.
If you're part of the stream, we're gonna have to get you to also listen to us. Are we gonna sort out the Discord links?
Yes, absolutely. Let me handle.
Okay, this is a bit. This is not the playlist I wanted. Wait. This is not the playlist I wanted. This is the playlist I wanted. Alright, Tech Lab. Gold prices rose slightly on Friday and we're headed for a strong weekly performance as more weak. Let me read
Yeah, it went
this.
sideways there, hey Chris?
It
went sideways there.
What? What went sideways? Gold prices rose slightly on Friday and we're headed for a strong weekly performance as more weak US economic data spurred bets that the Federal Reserve was done raising interest rates. Alright, Tech Lab, thank you for copying and pasting that little news headline from wherever you got it. Good afternoon from Gujarat, Pakistan. Good morning, brother. RG's a little late. Street workout. Good to have you here, brother. You haven't missed anything yet. We're still waiting for our setups. Akram Salmi, yes, I'm supportive of my boys, South Africa. What indicators are you using for the Asia highs and lows? Thanks in advance. Browser, the ones we use for that is the Asia range and kill zones NSR group. This one right here. And then I just mark it out manually with these lines. And I use the bodies, not the wicks. Sounded like a Mission Impossible chase. It did, Cheslin. Just hyping up everybody's anxiety before we get into some trades. I knew I saw you somewhere, lol. Alright. I'm in bias from bullish. Pin bar. Should I hold to your sell alert? Tristan, on what? Just let me know. On what are you buying, my brother? Please just let me know, then I can have a look for you. I've got nothing as of yet that is tickling my fancy right here. I'm just gonna set some alerts at 150.50. GU, let's look at GU. Yeah, here's my thing. I'm a little bit mixed on GU due to the fact that the daily, even though we closed bearish yesterday, we closed above this previous breakout level, so we can start flipping bullish again.
Yeah, so just to add to that, Chris, so for me, the dollar is 100% bearish, but it is just I wouldn't say temporary, but it's not a long term thing. But fundamental side, that's a whole long story, but it is bearish for now. And it's just having that little pullback, obviously having a massive bearish candle. So for me, I actually have a key level at 104.165, which that has been trying to test the whole time, and it just keeps bouncing off that. Obviously your Asia low is untested, so for me, you've kind of got that pullback to that key level. You rejected with the key level. Now you can continue flashing to the downside with us. Obviously Asia lows untested, pivots, EQ, all of that adding to the untested. So for example, like that GU trade, that definitely can flip bullish now.
Yeah, my thing is we can actually see this thing like run weekly highs today. That's
Yeah.
the thing. Like this could all just be some profit taking before the next run.
Like how this candle for me now, like where this is, if this already closes like a little bit more bullish, like I'll go long on this.
I want to go long.
Like I'll literally enter now on this candle.
No, I'm going to enter.
now already.
No, wait, let me
Technically,
see.
the other candle, like for me,
We've
did
got that
close,
little wick fill as an
It did
advantage.
close a little bit above that other little high there, the little rejection area, but I'll just wait for another candle as more of a confirmation.
Yeah, my only concern is we've got the round number here above us, and this 80 is like hugging it. So let's see. Let's see.
Yo. Some guys, I don't know where they learn to study fundamentals.
What is the dollar doing? Dollar.
Dollar is gonna reject, go lower.
What are you waiting for? Just a little bit more.
A bit more of a bullish push, especially on the 15.
Maybe a break.
This 15 is going to close now. If this thing can close bullish above this other little doji candle next to it, that's I'll go for it.
Chad, alright, I'm gonna tell you what. You see this low here? So that lower high created this low down here. So if we get a break above here, I'm gonna go for it. Keeks, I'm looking at something like this, bro. Like,
Yeah, mine's very, very similar.
Okay.
Yeah. Like that's what I'm looking at over here, where it's basically the same thing. I want this to push here,
Yes.
because that will do
Yeah,
that. And if you
sweet.
go on the 15, that means that 15 is also cleared on the 15. It's an area of resistance.
okay, so at least Keegan will bring his volume with me. I won't get FOMO today. No FOMO for me.
And it's funny because it's literally GU again.
Alright, Chatadonia, let's see if we get something on a Friday,
Literally,
baby.
if this closes like this, I'm in.
Oh my goodness, what came out now? My god, is it Christine Lagarde? Chatadonia, get ready. Oh my goodness, I think this thing is ready to drive, boys. 2 minutes, let's see if we can hold the line close here. I just want to see how far are we from that level 10. Alright, Chad, get ready, 1 minute 50. We need to close above here. Is it Christine? Yeah, I think it's Christine started speaking.
Come on.
Alright, Chatadonia, 1 minute 30 seconds. I hope you guys are ready. Let me just make sure I'm ready. Other than I fucked around and found out missing trades. Not today. Alright, boys. We're going to be very quick on the risk management. As soon as we hit 1 to 400, I'm going to go break even. Big round number. Order flow is currently bearish. We haven't tested Asia lows, so just be aware. Might
1 minute.
1 minute. I might even wait. But it's 3 pips, bro. Like, I'm not going to wait for... Are you going to wait for a little pullback or not?
I'll enter. As long as there's a bit of a top wick, I'll take it.
Alright, chat. 42 seconds. Hope everyone is ready. I'm bullish on dollar. I don't foresee a close below we came. Fair value gap. Great.
Who's bullish on dollar?
Kingsman Trading Group. Alright, chat. I can't enter if this does. Oh, I'm going to have to wait for a pullback.
Yes, just there it goes.
Yeah, I'm going to have to wait for a pullback.
But hey, I thought G is bearish.
Chad, I'm going to wait for a little pullback on this. Okay, let's see if we get a pullback. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. I haven't entered. Gonna wait for a little bit of a pullback, maybe to the 90, 91 if we get it. Fuck, bro, this thing ran away from us. All right, Chad, I'm in. I'm gonna take a sweep at it. Let me just set my stops before I get clapped. 15 pip stop. Little bit aggressive. Don't have that big of an advantage point. TPs will set now. Let's see where we are. 15 pips stop. Alright, Chatadonia. I'm thinking 1-1. 1-1. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna go for 1-1. I'm not gonna be greedy. 1-1 for me. 1-400 break even level right here. BE point. BE point as soon as we hit the 1-400, and then I'll go break even. Thinking about it, how far is that? I just want to check. 1-404. Yeah, let's see. All right, Chatadonia. 1-400. Let's see if we can hit 1-400. What is the dollar doing? Dollar back inside of the Asia range. Let's hope we reject here and start going lower. 15. How will I manage risk? So I'll be managing firstly my trade as soon as we hit 1-400. How will I be managing risk? Either take a stop, or if we fail to hold this level right here and we do something like this, for instance. So here is the low that basically flipped us to bullish market structure from these lows. If we start doing something like this, then I will close out the trade immediately. But if you look at it from a line chart perspective, you can see that that was the last lower high taken out, and we have now started creating bullish market structure. Asia lows have not been tested. Daily pivot has yet to be tested. So that is all I am monitoring. If we create a little substructure here and we start breaking lower, we'll try and manage risk. Otherwise, if this thing just flushes down, I'm happy to take a 15 pip stop. 80 is also starting to shift back bullish. This is a major daily key level that we've seen there. So welcome back, Chris. I see you got a Cape Town tan. Keeks and Jeffs held down the fort, and they did amazing, I have to be honest. So when we left for the airport on Monday, I still told Mo, I said I actually came in Sunday, because remember, Keegan hasn't done a full setup on his own. We usually, the team, everyone's running around getting things ready. So I came in Sunday and I did a little mock setup and I videoed everything, and I struggled. Ask Mo how many times. Mo, is he on his headsets again? So I still phoned Mo on Sunday and I'm like, bro, fuck, I'm struggling. I don't know, like, if I didn't do this video, I think Keeks also would have struggled. And we made a bet, and I said, I bet you the boys are going to pull through. We're not even going to have an issue. Because while the stream started, we were on the flight, so Keeks couldn't even phone us. And yeah, bro, did you stress a little bit that first stream? Be honest.
But you guys had
we stressed a little bit when we couldn't get the screen share to work, and then we're like, you know what? We've done it before. Like, we're just gonna work without it, and that was it.
But the boys did well.
Like you guys managed to stream every day and never made a phone call, bro.
Yeah, guys, they didn't even phone us once.
Yeah.
Like, I thought, like, at least 1 or 2 days the boys are going to phone and say, like, hey, Flip, we're struggling with this, but nothing, bro. The boys were solid.
Now we just need to see if they can set up podcast setup alone, Chris.
Bro,
All of us-
why would we be doing that alone in the first place?
All of us can't even set up the. That's why we need to buy cameras and stuff. Tech, why are you even here daily? All you do is challenge the analysis. What do you gain out of it? It's good challenging somebody's analysis if you,
Actually
if it's
have
in a
some valid
positive light. So, again, myself and Keegan, we've challenged one another's analysis, and it's good. It gives you the other side of it. But if you come doing that with malicious intent, then then you're just wasting your time. But there could be somebody selling GU here, and that's fine. If that's their analysis, if that's their plan to sell, yeah, great. Nothing wrong with having an alternative bias. As mentioned before, this is not a dick measuring contest. We are literally just here to take our piece of the pie, and if your strategy tells you to sell, great. If your strategy tells you to buy, great as well. Big thing is, as long as you make money in the end of the day. It is not a competition as to who can analyze the chart the best. As a matter of fact, all of these analyses are purely opinion until the fact. One thing that what's his name? Tom Hogarth said very well in his book, Best Loser Wins. He said that if you look at it and if you enter a trade, go with the mindset that I am wrong until proven right. So there's no expectation. So when I enter this trade, my mental aspect is that I'm wrong until price trades here. So I am on the wrong side up until I'm proven right. So there's no expectation. The only expectation for me is how do I manage my trade if I see I am starting to sit on the wrong side of the market. The less, all of the rest is just noise. So DXY taking yesterday's highs and respecting it. It hasn't taken yesterday's highs. Hopefully, I think the big one for DXY is going to be here, Asia lows daily pivot, and I think at that stage, hopefully our GU trade could be sitting here close to Asia lows as well. This is all just still a pullback. The only thing we don't want to see is a pullback where we create support and we then fail to take out these highs right here. Because if you look at it, the order flow is still bearish from these highs. This is still just a pullback. And we've got a little bit of an advantage point for this 12400 not being tested as of yet. But this daily key level 12380 is quite a big level. So let's see. Chad, I'm just going to run to the bathroom real quick. Let's just grab some water as well. I will see you guys now.
Look at that now. Yeah, you want to be surprised. Tech Lab series is the opposite again. 15 pips. You're gonna have to do it manually, bro.
Taking his spot now. Jeep. Taking my boy Jeeves' spot here. What now?
I just told Keith now, I can't even get into this trade with you guys. It's your phone.
You must get the
We still
terminals.
we still need to chat to Keeks about that.
Yeah.
Keeks, we'll chat to you afterwards. Chatadonia, this is still a pullback, guys. If we can still create a support, we can still go higher. But if we start breaking below here, we are chalked. So I'm just telling you, this is still a pullback. We can still break above here. That is the low that took out that previous lower high, so we need to respect that. Otherwise, could be some risk management going on here. What is DXY doing? DXY trying to hold Asia highs. Let's see. What is the 80 doing? 80 still above. Keeks, how are you managing risk here, my brother? No risk management.
Well, I was gonna be managing this thing's like flashing, so.
I still believe in it.
Nah, I also do as well.
It was a hot box in Cape Town. My bro, it was a hot box there. Chris going to call his Candle boys. Chris, what lot size do you trade on? 6 lots for JPY pairs, 5.2 for majors. Always fixed, never changes, always the same. If you go to history, you'll see there majors 5.2, yen pairs 6. It will always be the same unless I scale into a trade. Then I'll go maybe 4 lots, 2 lots. Alright, Chatadonia, we need to hold above this level, and if we start breaking below, I think that's only like, what is it, 5 pips. We can manage risk, but we would need to get above here. If we can get back above that zone right there, I'm happy. But if we close below here, I might manage risk. But in terms of pot odds, you're already so deep, you might as well just leave the trade. Closing out to save, how many pips is it? To save 4 pips, not worth it. So let's see. DXY respecting, okay, it's not respecting as of yet. I think DXY would need to start flushing below these Asia highs right here. Also get below this 5-minute 200 EMA. But we are still in it, a chip and a chair, a hope and a dream. But let's see what we can do here. Pot odds, someone is a player. Daniel, you know I am a player. Nasdaq, I was bullish as mentioned. I was bullish. I mentioned this morning, if you go back on the analysis, Asia lows were taken, trading above the low. I said this was that key level. Yeah, indices are looking bullish. Same with German 30. I said your safer buy is going to be above here. So if you go back on the stream, go back on the analysis, already took Asia lows. 80 was trading slightly below, and I said as soon as we break above these Asia highs, go back on the analysis as shared with you guys. I said as soon as we get back above the 200, which we did, this is your safer buy zone. So wouldn't chase it, to be honest. And we mentioned there's that already at the daily R1. We said very high probable trade back to that daily key level. All right, Chad, I see GU is trying. It's trying to hold on here. It is trying with all of its might to hold on.
Thing is, dollar just broke. Dollar broke Asia highs. So dollar is melting now.
Only thing is we had that GBP data. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Then Thursday. All right. Beautiful Tech Lab, my brother. Can see you are one special human being. DXY flashing. GJ. Chris, don't you rate you a bit of an eager beager with this one? Always, King. I am always eager. I was very eager to get into this trade, and I got into it. GJ absolutely melting. Let's quickly look at GJ. Yeah, all of the yen pairs. All of the yen pairs are getting slaughtered. Not even giving us a pullback to short it. Just melting. Chad, let's quickly look at it. Yeah, can't do anything as of yet. I'm still holding. I am still holding on to this. We'll see. Only way that we can manage risk now is, let's say, for instance, we create some type of support. We push up a little bit. Let's say maybe something like that, and then we can manage risk. But up until this stage, this just could be a deeper pullback. Now testing the 200 there. We held this key daily level. If you look on the daily, this was the previous zone where we held support. Breakout. Tested yesterday. Took out yesterday's low. 200 period daily moving average. Could go short. Could go long. We chose long. Let's see. Morning, Chad. Just came in late. Chris, nice to have you, my brother. I see y'all in a trade. We are, my brother. It is good that you are not in a trade because we are facing some drawdown here. So it has been tough here. It's been a tough morning for the Chad. Coming back with some drawdown. I think news events are screwing price action for GBP pairs. UJ on a weekly pivot. Let's quickly see UJ. I just want to make sure my pivots are still correct. Oh no, yeah, my pivots are still correct. Correcto. All right. Fun lover, it can definitely go down, brother. It can definitely go down. If you look at it from a daily perspective, yesterday closing bearish, closing above that breakout level. But if you look at it from a daily perspective, the overall price action is still bullish. We had that discussion yesterday in the Cape Town office as well. From a daily perspective, the current price action is bullish. This was the last lower high we formed, and then this was the last one, and then from there we started taking out highs. So this is bullish price action up until you get something like this. Then you can say we are starting to flip bearish, but on the higher time frames, clearly bullish price action. So the pullbacks, you never know how deep they're going to go, but I was willing to take a punt on this. Maybe a little bit closer to this daily key level, but we are in, 10 pips drawdown. Three minutes. Yeah, pot odds, guys. So even if this closes, I'm not going to close it out to save 3 pips. I will hold on. It didn't give me the opportunity to manage risk. If we created something here, for instance, a little support and then broke it, that makes more sense. But to try and save 3 pips, not worth it. I will rather take my full loss than trying to save 3 pips. What is DXY doing? It is coming down. Interesting. Chad, are we gonna survive? I don't know. We will need to hold this if we are going to survive this. DXY is melting. Why isn't GU flying? Remember DXY, most heavily weighted in DXY is Euro, if you didn't know that. If you go and check, I think 54% of the DXY is weighted in the Euro. Let me just show you guys.
Well, Chris, we're staying alive.
We chip and a dream, my brother. A chip and a dream. We are literally hanging on by a thread. Alright, so there's it. Yeah, so Euro is weighted 57.6%. So that is why that is the most correlated to the DXY. The pound is only 11.9%. So that's why DXY and Euro is heavily correlated. And then obviously Yen and pound is the second most. So DXY can flush, but remember that the pound only has 11.9% bearing on it. So that's why you'll see Euro is more correlated to it. But Chad, we are about to get stopped out. What is that? 2 pips, 3 pips. Let's see. What's your stop on it, Keegs?
23.794.
23.7. Oh, you're out. And I'm about to get out. Still holding on. Can we get it? I don't think so. Alright, Chad. I'm still in here with the... If this thing turns... Chip and a chair. We've changed it to a chip and a dream. Chad, we still holding on ya. We still holding on ya. Do you guys know where the chip and a chair comes from? That saying. I think I told you, Keeks.
Yeah, I think you did.
So remember in poker, if you can only sit at the table if you've got still chips. So, and you don't get a chair at the table if you don't have chips. So it comes from, even if you're down and out and you still have one chip left, you still have a chip and you still have your seat at the table. So,
bro, I swear if this thing turns around. Are you still in? No, man. No.
that thing literally sniffed my stop, bro.
I literally looked there. I got tapped.
No, do you know
I
why
got
did that
tapped.
now? Do you know why I did it?
No, he entered.
Because I pumped him off.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Somebody just bring water and cool this guy down. Somebody just throw water
I
on.
was earlier.
Mo, can we just get some water for...
I'll sort him out in the kitchen. Just now.
Okay, are you gonna chat to him, please? Chat it down now, that's why I pulled it up. To either hit the stop loss with you guys or see if... But wait, Mo, do you know what this needs? Okay, chat, get ready. I'm gonna bring the volume just for a couple of seconds. 1 to 400 is break even if you don't get stopped, but Chad, get ready. Volume is about to come in. It's about to get alive in here. Oh shit, Chad. We're going in, boys. Chad it down now. We're going in, boys. Chad it. Chad it down now. Let's get it, boys. Come on. GU, do it for the boys. They weren't ready. Chad, you guys weren't ready. Let's go. Come on, boy, keys. Ooh. Can't GU do it for the boys? Can't GU do it for the boys?
They're missing, honestly, guys.
Let's go, boys. Friday in the house. We're not gonna hit stops. We're gonna pump this thing up. Let's go, baby. It sniffed our stops, but we here, baby. Let's go. Shout it down now, let's go, baby. Let's bring those vibes. Chad. We're going, boys. What's happening here? Oh shit, we're back in it, boys. Ready, baby.
That thing was right even. I was weak, like weak.
Oh, boys. But you guys aren't ready for the drop. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Ah, shit, Chad. We're going to go break even on this trade in a couple of minutes. Mo, this is a memory. We need to clip this, bro. If we eat TP on this, bro. If we eat TP, we're calling it a day, bro. No, literally. We're calling it a day. Chad, we're going to go have some drinks. We're going to hype it up. Friday, it's been a long week. If we eat TP on this, bro, we call it. We call it. We'll maybe phone around for some of that stuff, but Chad it down. Yeah, let's go, baby.
Yeah, no, Kicks, you heard him, right? You hit TP.
Chad, wait for it. Wait for it. Oh shit, Chad. You're going in, baby.
Out of the trade and I did it too.
Don't do that. Comes here and immediately opens the game, bro.
Chad, break even on that, baby. You guys weren't ready. I don't think that Chad was ready. Break even, guys. Let's see if we can get it to run. Chad, you guys weren't. Be honest.
I'm sorry.
Mo, do you think that Chad was ready? I don't think that Chad was ready.
Chad wasn't ready for that. That was a moment, bro. That was real. Hey.
Nah, bro. That's
Strong start, bro. On a Friday.
what a
shut
day. What a way to get back.
I can't
You
get
know
over
they
the
weren't
fact
ready
that
because it
I
threw
literally
Kicks
got
off,
wicked on
bro.
that.
Bro, I wouldn't even mind if I get stopped out at break even. Just the hype, the Chad sweating bullets, our stops getting sniffed, literally sniffed. So I don't even mind. Break even for me, not even an issue.
Oh, ye of little faith, Keegan.
We
I was in the I called the trade before he did.
But you got stopped out.
I just got stopped.
I'm sorry, bro.
You know, we're talking millies here. I got tapped. He didn't.
All right, Chad. Okay, I
And
think.
he doesn't even care.
Okay, listen here,
He's been
Mo.
looking for this moment.
Mo, I think just to get us over the line, Chad, I'm gonna do one more for you guys. Let's see. Let's see, one more, baby. I don't think we're gonna survive it, but let's see.
Okay, you could hit them with peace, or you can hit them with.
Ooh,
We had a fresh one this morning.
Chad, we might not survive this, but a break even is a win for me. I'm honest, a break even is a win. We've had both sides of the coin this morning.
Alright, Chris, it's either Peace or Holy Harbor, bro. It's either Peace or Holy Harbor.
I went with peace, bro. Break even, Chad, but that is a good break even for me. That is not a bad break even. This thing can still run. Our plan was to go break even here. If you survive this, give yourself a pat on the back, but W for me, guys. Break even trade after getting sniffed. That is.
I don't even know. Like that is like I don't know how lucky you can get.
Alright, Chadadonia, let's see What else do we have on here? Okay, let's get back to business. Let's see if we can still grab something. Guys, it's Friday. We're not going anywhere. It's 11 o'clock. Morning has not even started. What are you guys talking about? The day is done. We are not even close to done. You guys thought we were done?
Oh, Chris.
Mo, you thought we were done, bro? Bro, we're only getting started. What are you talking about? 1 to 400. We're still gonna catch this thing. Don't even stress, Chad. We are here. Euro USD, baby. What's going on here? Euro USD. What are you gonna give us? Gigs, I might even go for a little Euro USD.
You know what? Don't say that.
Oh, you also want to go?
I'm literally looking at it, and the last time we just agreed on a trade now.
Now, look, I think GU can work, but my plan was to go break even at 1 to 400. And just in terms of like the mental capital that we saved, like after almost getting pipped, I'm looking at Asia lows, geeks. If we get something like this on GU, I'm gonna go long on this, bro.
Geo again.
Yeah, but I'm looking at EU. I'm maybe gonna go for.
I might take EU now off the Asia lows.
Yeah, I'm looking. There's that key level. Chad, there's that daily key level on EU. And nah, Chad, you guys weren't ready. I wasn't even ready for that. Mo wasn't ready.
I wasn't ready.
Were you ready? Oh, bro, I was not ready for that. That was way too much vibe for one stream.
Oh my god.
I moved sub to B now on ELOG. Chris, Magic pushed my gold buys. Beautiful, brother. Yo, remember what I said? This was going to be the battle point for gold. We never got there. Asia highs. Bro, you mind playing a song? Daniel, bro, throw it for us. What do you want? If you like, bro, I love Mute. Mute is now officially the new staple. Like, ask Mo, how did I wake you up 6 o'clock? No, 5:30 Friday morning. Tell the chat how. Exactly. Tell the chat exactly how you got woken up.
Guys, let me tell you. So I'm like lying sick in bed here. I'm fighting for my life. And middle of the morning, bro, Chris is just pumping Mute. He's just Chad. he's walking around the Airbnb in his boxes. Chad. Yeah, no, the man never took a break. Yes. He played. Let me tell you. Let me be honest. Chris played Mute that night, that morning. He played it in the Uber going to the office. He played it in the office, on the way to the airport, in the airport, and after we landed. Nah, it's been in the state.
Chris is a new fanboy.
Yep.
But listen here, one thing, the marketing office there at Vault Markets is like very, very serious. Like, was it Thursday we got in there? It almost looked like they just finished the funeral.
Yeah, no, it was very tense. Yeah.
And we came in there and I'm like, what is this? And I bang on there and I'm like, Chad, and everyone's like, I'm like banging the table. I'm like, Chad it down here, let's go. And everyone's like, what
And
the
Kiggs,
fuck
Chris,
just happened?
Chris has that frat boy energy. He just comes in riling people up and then he leaves, bro.
They probably said they're like, who the hell is this
Yeah,
guy?
they're like, these guys need to leave. Okay, we want to get our jobs done. He was just trying to crunch.
Okay, Mikasa obsessed. Fuck monetization. We are here.
The last 2 days, there's been no monetization.
No monetization for us. Mikasa obsessed. Let's go, Chad. Let's see what
We've just been
Mikasa.
vibing the last 2 days.
I don't even know what Mikasa is, but let's vibe it up here for the Chad. It's been a good week. Let's see. We're still gonna be here, Chad. Don't stress. We're gonna we gonna get some bangers out. Clean haircut, Chris, just noticed. Thanks, my brother. Actually had this haircut last weekend.
So the G, you going for the Asia lows now?
Oh.
Stupid thing. Yes.
Okay, but we can still catch it,
I
don't
can't
stress,
believe
don't
like
stress.
how I got tapped on that flippin' trade.
Chris, there's someone in Discord pretending to be you. We'll sort him out. We'll sort him out, brother. Chris, mind checking US30. Sorry, guys, we were in a bit of a vibe. Yeah, US30. There's that other key level we talked about. Everything was looking bullish. Let's go daily time frame. Chad, just let me know if the music's a little bit too loud. Also don't want to ruin the... Okay, GBP, US30, yeah, there's that daily key level. As mentioned this morning, could be a little bit of a short squeeze. Yeah, I don't know what you want to do, bro, but like I said, I wouldn't necessarily short into it unless we started trading here. You can still get shorts later, but nothing here for me. Happy Friday, good vibes, yeah, always, brother, always. Office is in need of an in-house DJ. That's part of most job description, but the man is struggling a little bit. He had a tough week in the mother city.
I'm slacking.
No, I'm just saying you had a tough week, brother. Don't stress. I'm monitoring US longs after pro. You can, brother. Just remember it's out of session, so just be careful. Morning, guys. Did I miss anything good? Car culture. I can't even explain what you missed. You would think it's scripted if I tell you. Maybe go back a couple of minutes. We went from almost hitting stop losses to going break even. It was a vibe.
I'm thinking I'm going long on EU.
At this stage, EU now tapped Asia highs as well. It's in the Asia range. You can almost just wait for the daily pivot because it's literally flat on the day. So it hasn't technically not gone anywhere. So we can literally wait for the daily pivot. Daily pivot. Chris, can you do a run over of Nasdaq? Nasdaq, you guys mentioned bullish. If you go back, I still said I'm more bullish on Nasdaq than on US30. Asia lows were taken. Trading above the daily pivot. 80 is nicely bullish. Maybe a little bit later if you get a pullback here during NYSE. You can grab something from there. At this point, open a trader band. Tech Lab still here, one of our fanboys. Tech Lab, send me your address, I'll send you some merch. I'll get Keegan to sign it because you're obviously a fanboy of Keeks. Keeks Tech Lab is most probably your biggest fanboy at this stage, eh?
It was between him and Anton. But since Anton's now left, it's him.
Guys, so worried about the moves Keegan makes, worried even about his personal finances. I don't know. The mans are watching this man with a magnifying glass. Keeks, you're right. Your personal finances. As I see, the boys are worried about you instead of worrying about their own finances.
You know, it's been a tough few months. If I'm not gonna lie, I've had quite a bit of doctor's bills. I mean, my back's a bit sore, but being the MVP is hard. But we pull through, you know.
Nah, I'm actually gonna get him a complimentary chiropractic session for carrying the. He carried the Chad, he carried the stream, carried the office here. Jeff as well. We'll get Jeff some chiropractic as well. No, Keegan carried the stream like a beast. Moski, give it to me. No, only one thing. Talk to me. Which one do you want? Where's Mo?
Song wise.
Yeah.
It's gotta be. Ah shit! Now I forgot the name here.
That one that you talked about this morning.
Let's see. Go to the mute page.
Let's quickly get this, guys.
This is your history.
No.
Okay, go to their page.
Here's all their songs. The Coop. No, it's not the Coop. Holy Arbor. Oh my goodness. Chad. We're about to go in. Is it more like a chill? Is it with our
Nah, you loved it. It took you off guard.
Oh, is it that? Is it that one? Okay, Chadadonia, get ready. Euro USD daily pivot. Asia highs. Let's go. I'm gonna set some alerts here for us. 10859. 12 o'clock. We've got CPI. Maybe that CPI is what pushes us. 10859. Chad, get ready. Always 15 pips, Daniel. Chad, 140 likes. Let's go, baby. Let's get those likes up to at least 200. I might even do a giveaway today. Let's get the likes to 250. We'll do a giveaway. $5,000 account. Let's do it. 250 likes. You know what? We'll even do 2 giveaways. 2 $5,000 accounts. We're not gonna fuck
Yeah, my
around
boy's in a
today.
good mood.
We're not gonna mess around. 2 $5,000 accounts. And maybe we'll even do a third just for Tech Lab to see that man fail. But anyway, let's. Is it anything else you
I was looking at UJ, but a bit later. But I don't want to look at it now.
250 likes, Chad. Let's get it to 250. We're gonna do 2 account giveaways. Fuck it, we might even do a third. Each one of us gonna write the number. We'll do 3 giveaways. 250. Let's go, baby. 250. Let's silence some of these fuckboys out there. Tech Lab, you're more than welcome, my brother. You know our address, 189 Cape Road. I'll show you exactly where we are. Come visit us, please.
What is Tech Lab one?
Tech Lab, 189 Cape Road, Mole Park. Pop in, my brother. Right here. This is where we are. There's the address. How do I share this address? Mostly, how do I share address here?
We can give Tech Lab some special VIP treatment.
Open it on Google Maps. first.
Copy.
Open it on Google Maps. Yeah.
I don't know. Tech Lab. Come in, my brother. Come chat to us. Alright, there's the address. Tech Labs. Pop in, my brother. Come chat.
Goodie.
Come chat to the boys.
I'm still really liking this EU though.
I might read it.
On what?
G round number.
Okay, you do G, I'm gonna do E.
No, man. Why do me like that, bro?
You got Jeff with you, G. Are you still there? I think you got Jeff with you.
No, then I'm definitely shorting it. No, I'm joking. Stream is on fire. Let's go. Nice.
Watch. Okay, I'll take GU with you if I don't get my entry on EU.
What are you waiting for on E EU?
I had the retest of Asia low and I wasn't paying attention and it's not giving me another retest.
Alright, GU Chad. I'm gonna take one more swing at it. Breaks above here. I'm gonna take one more. I'm gonna take one more clap at it. If we break structure there, order flow is still bullish. Only thing is we've got that 200, so I'll be very aggressive with risk management. As soon as we pop into Asia lows, I'm gonna go risk free. So get ready, Chad. Breaks of structure above here.
Again.
Let's just get this ready right there. Just needed to break. But now the thing is 1 to 400. I would actually rather like, to be honest, a break above it, and then for it to retest it. If I'm very honest with you.
Chris, you're gonna have to make up your mind. Just gonna give it to you.
I know what. Fuck it. I'm gonna take it.
I'm going for it. 'Cause
Gee.
EU screwed me. EU's gone already.
Let me just see. Custom period. Just wanna see what. Yo, comms are banging.
Come on, GU. Don't do it to us again.
Yeah, this is our permanent office, brother. This is our permanent office. No, but look, EU is not missed yet. Like, we still have the daily pivot. Let me just see. 1 minute left, Chad.
Come on, Chris. I'm putting my faith in you.
Okay, wait. What are you doing? Talk to me.
I'm in a long GU.
Okay, but I need this to break. Otherwise,
Oh yeah, it needs to break the.
I can't.
If that
I
doesn't
can't.
close above those highs, then
Yeah.
I'm not.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
No, it's fine.
55, 40 seconds. Chad, we need to close above there. Otherwise, I can't execute on it. No closure above, no trade. But there's still a lot of room, guys. GU is still literally down 15 pips on the day. EU is literally, this is the daily open level. So it has, even there's the daily open level. So it has got a lot of room. Like, do not even stress. We're gonna be here. We're gonna catch something good. You are in good
5
hands.
seconds. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it.
No. We're not just gonna analyze charts and ring a rosy here
Can't
and
enter.
tickle each other's ears. We actually take trades. Gigs, huh?
Yeah.
Or do you wanna kumbaya, ring a rosy, and we just do chart analysis and markups?
Nah. The fun is actually in taking the trade. I just had to look at it, I think my eyes are gonna hurt.
Don't you want to change the stream to only like chart markups and discussions? And we don't take the trades live.
Right, Chad, what do you think?
Chad, make it a chart markup and ring a rosy session, or should we continue taking trades live?
We
250 likes, Chad, and we do those 2 giveaways. If you're still in a GU trade and you haven't gone break even after getting sniffed here, like that is respectable. I'm not gonna lie. You have absolute balls of steel. Each and every one of you. Like, I respect that, believe me. After getting sniffed, after the market came down here to sniff my stop, a break even is a win. Geeks unfortunately got like nipped out. It literally like a little feather, like
yes, yes.
just dipped its toe
Like,
into your
I'm not
stop.
even joking. I'll literally show Chris here, guys.
It literally just dipped that big toe into. It's that way. It's like cold in Cape Town. You just dip your toe in the water. Coop. Let me show the chat here, guys. That is not even. That's like a toenail being dipped. I don't know even if you can see it. It's a toenail that was dipped in the water. That's like a toenail, bro.
Literally, like, yes, yes.
We're gonna give away 2, actually 3.
3, yeah.
3 $5,000 funded account challenges.
So with all those demo profits.
All of the demo profits I've made.
Yo, EU is pissing me off.
Okay, but we are getting close to. But why is the CPI a orange folder? I actually, you know what? I actually think the market's gonna start moving after this, because obviously this is gonna affect the ECB.
Wait, what is that for?
No, it's CPI. It's like the Euro, the Eurozone. 12 o'clock, literally
Oh, hectic.
27 minutes.
Well, the thing is, for me, like I said, I'm bearish on the dollar. Dollar's gonna melt, which it's doing. So EU, GU, all of them, we're gonna go up. It's just a matter of can we catch it. You know, maybe I'm gonna throw a span in the works. I'm gonna do like EJ or GJ or something.
No, the yen pairs are gone, bro. Like,
They are.
I wanted to short here. This thing just. And Chad, here's the thing: you need to be comfortable with this. So, back in the day, I would then go back and say, like, how could I have gotten in on this? And there's no way I would have gotten in on this, to be honest. And you need to be comfortable. There's going to be times where price literally does a one-way sweep, unless it was your plan to maybe like preempt, like maybe a double top, or to trade pre-market. I don't know, but for me, you guys know that the way I trade, I would have waited for a pullback, retest Asia lows. I wouldn't have entered on any of that. Gold, similar. I told you guys we haven't taken anything. We haven't taken Asia highs or lows. I would have loved for Asia lows to be taken and then the pop up, but yeah. GU was nice. Thinking, yeah, no, I would have taken that. There's nothing I would honestly change. I actually think that Euro is gonna go lower. It could. Here's the thing, it could definitely go lower. Only thing is the daily closed bullish, holding this previous key daily level. So up until so this is the range that we're trading in. So remember this morning in the analysis, I said I am bullish due to the fact we've got that bullish wick to fill. And also this is our daily range that we are trading in. That is our daily range. So it could go either way. Again, I don't move the market, guys. Keegan doesn't move the market. The only thing that moves the market is supply and demand.
The only market maker here apparently is Jevon.
Yeah, so apparently, Jevon, we need to cool that brother down. But again, the market can go anywhere. It is just up to me to take my entries according to my trading plan and then to manage the trade according to my trade plan. So the rest is out of my control. I don't control the markets. I don't control shit. I just manage what I can manage.
Told you.
That guy needs to find God. You need to find God. Guys, pray for Jevon, please. Please pray for Jevon.
That is literally so ironic that we said it and then he literally comes in the office.
I'm the market maker. You should have pumped it earlier.
Your 3 minutes to wait for this thing again. I'm gonna buy GU just because Tech Labs has decided.
I'm not gonna buy it. The only reason I say that is I want a retest of it.
The retest of what?
The 2400. I would love some. So what I'll chat, this is what I'm gonna wait for. Because Asia lows is literally 5 pips away from this. I'm gonna wait for something like this. And then I'm more than happy to take it. And if I miss it, I'm completely fine with that.
So here's my question with that. So we had the retest, we rejected it. We retested it again, and now we're gonna break above it. So wouldn't you enter on the break of it?
No, my only concern is we don't have a massive advantage point with Asia lows, because remember, we traded like impulsively below it. So at any stage, because also the 200 period moving average is also on the Asia lows. So I'm just, if this was a little bit lower, we had that advantage point. Like the reason we took this was for that test on Asia lows. But now we're trading so close to it. So my thing is, I would rather let it get back inside of the Asia range, because then I use this to 400 as my advantage point.
Okay, I heard what you're saying, because the Asia lows are close, but at the same time, it's just like you've got Asia highs that are untested.
My thing though is like, if you take this break, I'll be like very quick break even. Like let's say it breaks above and it goes like 5 pips, I'll go break even.
Yeah.
Like, but then again, I'm saying like I'm gonna feel a lot more comfortable knowing that we break it, we create some type of resistance, maybe even do like a 3-wave pullback and then break structure.
Yeah, the thing is, even when I start looking at TJ, like the pound is coming back now.
Oh, it might even run away from us. I don't know. Euro. GU is back, baby. Always.
And then
Check
runs
Asia low.
lows.
Okay, you must. Yeah. What do you rate, Keeks?
Like I said, I'm gonna go for it because Tech Labs has decided.
The Tekla. Ah, shit. I wanted to.
know
Let's
what
say
this-
if I get a pullback.
go.
Chad, I'm in. I took it. The tech lab says sell.
Yeah.
Okay, Chad, I'm in. I'm in. 15 pips. I'm in. Let me just open up for my other account as well. I'm in it. I took some longs here. Let's see. 1-1. Let's see if I get it. Got a better entry on my real account. The challenge account. Got it there. Where are we going? I'm thinking Asia highs. I'm thinking Asia highs. 15 pips. I'm thinking Asia highs is a realistic target. 1-1. We took another stab at it. And Asia highs. Where will I go break even? I'm thinking as soon as we do something like this, I'll go break even. If we can break into the Asia range, retest Asia lows, and then get a break of structure, I'll go break even. That's the one scenario. Second scenario is we just push all the way up to the daily pivot, then I'll just go break even. So let's
But yeah, Tech, I appreciate you helping me. Thank you for giving me the sell signal. You're taking one for the team.
Okay, Chad, I'm just gonna ease you guys into this one. We don't want to scare GU. We're just gonna, yeah. We're just gonna caress it. We're gonna raise it up a little bit, and let's see, baby. Let's see, 221. Don't wanna scare it off. I did, Neil. Chad, let's go, baby. Let's hold these Asia lows. Let's see if we can rip out a banger here today. Hit the likes for more volume, 100%. We need that volume.
Yeah, I mean,
Let's go. Yeah, Chad, we're going in, baby. Aha, Chad, Adonia.
Step outside.
Chad is not ready for this, boys.
we're talking to you. You're innovative.
I'm just vibing. 250 likes, we're doing that giveaway. Oh, Chad, baby, we're going in. It's Friday. It is Friday. Let's go, baby. And just for the TP, I'm gonna drop this last one on you guys, and then we'll get back to business. Keegs, how you feeling, brother? Feeling good?
I'm feeling good.
I'm feeling great. It is good to be back with the team. Chad, let's go, baby. TPs, 10 more likes. We're going to do 3 giveaways today. We are not messing around. We're going to go hard this last part of the year. We want to change some lives. We want to call some winning trades. We're stepping up our game. I hope you guys are stepping up your game. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go. Chad, I'm going break even, guys.
I literally just hit break even.
Chad, 250 likes. We're gonna do that giveaway shortly. Let's just finish up with this trade and then we're gonna get going. Let's go, TP's about to get in. Chatadonia, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do. Ooh, the 2.3 plus. What else is there? Can we survive this bottom wick? Can we survive the bottom wick? That is the question. No top wick on that 5. It's not looking good. Also, we haven't retested this 204. Only thing is, on my funded account, I got in here. And on my live account, I got in... Yeah, let me just show you guys. So I actually have a better entry on my live account. Let me just show you guys. Because I took it first on here. Let me just show you. This is my entry on my live account. There, because as that pulled back, I entered there. So might survive on my live account, might get chopped on mine. But let's see, baby. I think we're gonna get it. We're gonna do that giveaway shortly. 3 accounts.
Yeah,
Mo, write down your numbers along on a paper.
Okay.
Just no, they mustn't see you write it because I. Okay, we're gonna start off, Mo. Your number should be between 200 and 300.
Okay.
Hey, bro, I'm not even gonna fuck around with Nightbot now. We'll chat to me in Discord and you can help us with that. Okay, so Keegan is between 1 to 200.
Don't guess now, guys, right?
Oh, don't get yet.
Yeah,
No,
because
You wait. Do you want to do one at a time?
Yeah, we're gonna do one at a time. Okay, let me write my number so long. Oh, fuck, yeah, that's why I wanted 3 pieces of paper. No, give me 3. And give me a fisherman's friend as well. I would love one. Oh shit, Chad, we're going in. No, guys, stop.
stop.
Not now already. Okay, Mo, firstly, let's get it on slow mode. Get it, Peter. Alright, Chatadonia. Chad, we haven't started. Chill.
Okay, slow mo.
Get it on slow mo. Get us 3 big pieces of paper. That is a dope car.
You see, you got the number. Right would be you.
I think you got it on Monday. Oh, Chad, baby, what a Friday. What a Friday. What a day to be alive. Sorry, Chad, we're just pumping the music. We're in a trade. There's not much we can do. We're risk-free. So I hope the music is better. All right, guys. So the conditions for the giveaway is as follows. We're just gonna monitor this. 5 minutes for CPI. We might not survive this bottom week. If you took profit, great. I haven't taken profit. On my live account, it was very close to hitting TP, but we've got some news coming out now. Let's see. There's 1 to 400 untested, so very likely with this clean amount of traffic, this thing can literally come all the way back down, as mentioned previously, and do something like this, and then break above. But let's see. We've managed our trades well today. I hope the music level is fine. Let's maybe just drop it down to something more chilled for us to do the giveaway, and and then let's see. So we're gonna do 3 giveaways. We're gonna do 3. We're gonna start with my one. I'm gonna give it a number. I'm gonna write down a number from 0 to 100, and you guys will need to guess that number, and whoever guesses correctly, that is our first winner. Keegan's number range is going to be from 100 to 200. We are then going to do that giveaway, and then after that, Mo's one is between 200 to 300. So we are just waiting for those markers to come so we can write it down so that you guys don't. Chad, we haven't started, so please chill. I can see some of you also struggle with ADHD like me, but we're gonna let you know once we officially start. I know everyone's keen, everyone's eager, but you can stop. We haven't started the giveaway, so let's chill it out. We're not going anywhere.
My number's already written. It's the same one as that paper. Here you go.
But write it big, eh? Did you write it big?
I did.
Okay. Geeks, but wait, I think on your, let me just see your camera. I think they'll. Okay, just hold it down because your camera, I think, like Oaks can see on your.
They're trying to scare them over there. We're just doing the giveaway now.
Where's my piece of paper? Let me write. Chad, but let me just tell you guys now, I like the number 7. It's not going to be 777, so I'm giving you a heads up now already. Okay, let me write down my number. Okay, my number's down. Okay, Keith, write down your number. Tell Mo, call Mo. Mo should be here for you between 2 to 300. Okay, Mo doesn't listen, bro. So you're gonna be then.
No, Mo was 2 to 300, so I'm 1
Oh,
to
100.
200.
Yeah, sorry. Brain fart there. You need to be here for the giveaway, my brother. You obviously need to help us scout it. The Chad's already going off. Okay, Chad, stop.
All right,
Listen,
Chad,
yeah.
I'm here to control.
Chad, quickly stop. Please, guys, just stop quickly. Please just stop quickly. We're gonna start now.
Okay, I got my number
Okay.
Are we doing all 3 right now?
after each other.
Okay.
So what are we starting with Chris's one? Cause that's the
Yeah.
first one, the logo.
Okay, I'm gonna put a message, Mo. This is the start. So as soon as my message drops, that's the start. Is 10 seconds slow enough though? Because this Chad can you make it 20 seconds?
I
Because
can make
the
it 20
Chad
seconds.
gets hyped up, bro. Like the
Give me a
Chad.
Chris, you look like Darren Dix with the cap.
Okay.
Yo,
Cap is gone.
yo.
Fuck the cap. No cap,
Okay.
yeah.
Slow mode is on 20 seconds now.
20 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to click start mode from when my message drops. 0 to 100. Choose your number. Go. Chatadonia. Let's see.
I didn't even see.
Yeah, Chris is
Start.
already said
No,
start now.
I can see it. I can see it. Oh my god, Mo. Yo, we need to slow this down, my brother.
I haven't even seen your message.
I haven't seen it yet. He's messaged
Oh
it
no, I
back
see it
to-
now. I see
yeah.
it now. We are looking.
I
Okay,
don't see
we.
it.
Some
Yo,
people
the
got close, eh?
Chad is firing off here, my brother. Oh, there's it. There's it. I saw it. Oh
I
my.
saw it.
Don't say it out loud yet.
Wait.
I
But
didn't see it.
let's just make sure. I think I saw it, bro.
Dude, I'm circling back to your message. Let's see.
I didn't see it.
Let's just make sure. Last time we had your Oaks was sending us videos, and my brother, it was tough. Like
Doing
you
a
do it.
giveaway like this is tough, eh?
Okay, whoever knows how Nightbot works, please please contact me in the Discord.
But yeah, ooh, people are getting close.
Bro, I swear I saw
People
it.
getting close.
let-
Hey, there goes GU.
Let me just see. Mo, let's just make doubly sure before we.
Yeah, no,
I don't
trust
want
me, I'm-
issues like last time.
I am
No
watching.
one's got it yet.
I'm
Okay.
eagle eyeing this. They will.
Are you-
There's not gonna be.
Whoa,
anyone
there.
clever.
Oh, there's it, there's it.
Close, Chianago.
Tilo Cianago, brother. You are the winner, my brother. Chris 12. Tilo Cianago. Do me a favor, brother. Send me a message on Instagram. My Instagram handle is in the link in the description. My
watching
team.
GU, eh?
I'm watching it, bro. What a Friday, Chad. Let's
Come
just
on.
chat it down here. What a freaking
We have to
Friday.
give, you know what? We're going to give the shout out. This is goes to our boy Tech Lab. He told us to sell.
Tech Lab,
So, we
you
appreciate
were
it, bro.
literally the key in this. I wouldn't have bought this,
Damn,
but
bro.
as soon as you, Tilo Cianago, please, my brother, get in contact with me. We're gonna get that account to you today, straight after the stream. All right,
So you guys ready
on
for round two?
to the.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to drop another message first, Chris.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
I will. Chad, on my live account, I'm out of the trade. I hit TP on that. I haven't hit TP. Okay, who's this? Okay, we're doing Keegan. Sorry,
Yeah.
we're doing Keegan's one. All right. Chatadonia. Wait for it. Wait for it. Round two. Wait for it. You're not. Okay, Chad. So 100 to 200. Between 100 and 200. Round two. Fight. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Who's getting it? Oh, Chad.
Oh,
Chad,
my
oh my
goodness.
god, this Chad.
Whoa.
Did you put it on 20 seconds or
I
2
did.
seconds?
They probably all stood in there waiting and there's that first like flash. Whoa, someone got it.
Already?
Sia the kid.
No, wait.
yeah. See the kid.
Sia the kid got it.
Are you
Sia the kid,
serious?
Yeah,
Yep.
Sia the
Well
kid
done,
got
Sia.
it.
Well done, Sia.
Just make sure, Sia, the kid, my brother, there was the number. Message me, Instagram. Sia,
Sia the
we'll
kid.
get that. Mo, what, bro?
Huh?
The Chad, Chad, well, you guys are like crashing the server here
You don't think I
almost.
should put it to every 10 seconds? No, is that too quick?
Bro, how do we have such a, listen here, how do we have such a technologically advanced setup here?
We counting numbers.
And bro, this is how we're doing giveaway. Chad, this is how we're doing giveaways. What is this? What are we doing? But anyways, I love it. It's real. This is it's unique. Alright, Chatadonia.
Okay, now
Most-
Mo's number. This is the
Most
first time I've written down a number for the giveaway.
Jeff, you know what? Fuck it. Number between 300 to 400. Go write it down. We're gonna do 4 giveaways, guys. Why the fuck not? Get your number.
Chris, how do you know it's the right person texting you though? On
No,
Instagram.
we'll see. Just make sure you take screenshots of their name.
300 to 400.
No,
Just say
you
it.
shouldn't.
Go write it on a piece
Go
of
right
paper.
it out. Okay, brother. That
Gonna
is
show
why.
your hand to the stream.
That is
here.
why your hand
Chat.
gets cut a lot of times. Anyway, Chad, round
There's a marker
3.
here.
Huh?
No, I'm telling Jeff there.
Just tell him to not hold it in the air.
Okay, guys. Right now we're gonna do the 200 to 300, right?
200 to 300.
Okay.
Round 3. Fight.
Let's wait for
Go,
Chris's
go. Let's
message.
go. It
Okay.
went. 200 to 300, brothers.
Wait, what's the
200. Oh my goodness. Chad exploding
Oh
again.
my goodness! Some people got so close so quick.
Yo, the Chad's already. Don't show it to the camera. Ah, I've got it. There's it. There's it. Oh,
Earl Hercules.
oh, Hercules, my brother. Get in contact with us. There's Moski's number.
Uh-huh. You're welcome, Earl.
Chadadonia. Give all Hercules. And we're doing another one. Jeff. Gonna do a round 4 now. Mo, just make sure you screenshot the names. Okay, Chad. 300 to 400. Round 4. Fight. Okay, round 4's on, guys. Chad is fighting for round 4.
But I see Earl, and who's that
Oh
first one?
my.
Sia the kid.
No, I know Sia.
No, it was that C note to now. Or C note.
What are we looking for now?
They're looking for this number, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Mo, you saw the number, eh?
No, I did not.
Okay, just show Mo. Come look here.
Just look there.
Come look here. Okay, let's just go from where around. Yo, this
Yo,
Chad.
people got flipping close.
Just help me.
People got
I
flipping
honestly
close.
don't want people to message us again.
Nothing yet. Yeah, someone got
Yes,
really
it's
close.
also getting flipping close the whole time.
I don't know, like my chat is. Oh, there's it. There's it. You see it?
Who's that?
Tariq Williams, brother. Just make sure before. Sorry,
Oh, I
Tariq.
see it. I see it. Well done, Tariq.
It's Tariq, eh?
Yeah, Tariq Williams.
Tariq, my brother. That is you. 332. Well done. Get in
it
contact with me. IG. Chat. 4 giveaways. Fuck it. We had a beautiful Friday. We're about to TP on GU. I TP on my live account already.
Good for you, Chris.
Bro, it's been a week. What a week.
Must be nice. Must be nice to not lose your phone in a different city and be able to take trades.
Chad, how you guys feeling? What a flippin' week it has been. Mo, give us one more banger just to get GU just to get it over the line. One more banger.
Okay. Let's see.
We need the song Mute Sail. Let's see. Sail.
No, you didn't like Sail, Chris.
I
tell you
didn't
right
like
now.
Sail.
You
Okay.
didn't like Sail.
Give
We
me.
could do Loss of Hope. It's always been a solid one.
Oh, Loss of Hope is a staple. Yes.
Yeah, I think Loss of Hope. Keep
Okay,
them on edge, bro.
Okay, Chad. Loss of Hope.
Loss of Hope.
Let's get GU over the line. I hope you guys are ready for this one. Is it this one, Mo? Yeah, I think it's this one. I hope it's this one. We're obviously going to get an ad. We didn't get an ad. Oh, Chad, baby, let's go. Friday in the Bay. Let's get those TPs. Chadadonia, a little bit further to go. Oh, shit. Gigs, how you feeling, bro?
Rusty free.
Ah.
Running.
There we go, baby. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it for the boys. Do it for the boys. Just clap it. Go. Ah. Gapped into our TP. I could have finished my challenge. 0.1%. No way. Oh, Chad, what a vibe. No way. Chadadonia.
buddy with your old car.
No ways, bro. This is it's a movie. Shadadonia, baby. TPs were hit. Oh, Chad, baby, what a day. What a flippin' day. We called it. You can hold this straight. To be honest, I'm not even gonna lie to you. If you look on it daily, this thing can literally still go 70 pips today. 70 pips. But we're just vibing, guys. What a day. What's the name of this song? It's Mute, Loss of Hope. Let me drop it in the chat for you. What a vibe. Tech Lab wrecked. Tech Lab got order blocked like it's nobody's business. Tech Lab most probably. Bro, I closed. I had a solid one. I can tell you some SMC fuckboys saw this as an order block and got wrecked.
Tech Lab.
Kicks? Order block. Order block.
They were the order block.
I can tell you
My
some.
thing is that imagine. We didn't get wicked out at the bottom and we held this from there. That was a beautiful trade, guys.
Chad, be honest, SMC boys got wrecked. Bro, 100% the SMC boys got absolutely crushed. Tech liquidity. Yeah, I think Tech Lab should go sit down. Or you can come to the office, Tech Lab. You know where our address is. I think sit down and go get order blocked. Chadadonia, what a stream. We've done the giveaway. Tech Lab got wrecked. At least he allowed us to get some liquidity. Wait, so you guys don't trade SMC? No, bro, we don't trade SMC. We're not smart enough. Only smart guys get SMC. You need to be smart and you need to have a smartphone to trade SMC. I've got a Nokia 3310. Keegan has got one of those Motorola flip over. It's, bro, I think it's got like a calculator screen. Yeah, you like pull it out. But Chad, we're gonna call it there. There's nothing else I'm looking for. We've got load shedding at at 4 today, so we can't stream the.
No, there won't be a New York session, guys.
Yeah,
But it's a Friday. I think we've had a few. Yesterday we rocked it. We had another one today.
Yeah, Keegs had a week, bro. Keegs had a. I'm gonna take the team out for lunch now. We're gonna drink a few beers, have a few tequilas,
Good end,
whatnot.
guys. Good
What a
end,
Friday, baby! If you're still here for the haters, the lurkers, the guys trying to copycat us, we all love you guys. This is all love. Haters, lurkers, followers. We are doing what no one else is doing. Tech lab, buy yourself some glasses and a dictionary and a reading book and go read a little bit, brother. But Chad, it was an amazing stream. I appreciate everyone joining. It's good to be back. I honestly missed the chat a lot. I missed you guys. Good to be back in full steam. From Monday, we're back into it. Next week, Friday, podcast. We're getting some new gear. We're going all out on the gear. Why not? We will withdraw these demo profits and we will get going. But Chatadonia, appreciate it. See you guys next week. Peace out, Chatadonia.
Much love.
I'm gonna leave you with this banger, Chatadonia.